How do I make an extra $1,000 a month? That's a good question. How do I make an extra $1,000 a month? There are multiple different ways you can do that. Multiple different ways you can do that. What the core of it is that you have to give $10,000 worth of value away per month. Okay. I know that sounds overly simplified. It's true. It's probably oversimplified, but we have to understand it from a fundamental standpoint first before we can even show you anything else. Now, if you look at my screen right now, there's a free class that we're running on how to make $1,000 per day on the internet. Also, there's another free class that we're running where you can flip houses nationwide and from a wholesale standpoint, and you can make upwards of $25,000 per month on that as well. But the answer, the real authentic answer is that this is entrepreneurship, right? This is entrepreneurship. By the way, you can make an extra $1,000 a month by working remote jobs. Okay, there are tons of remote jobs out there that may not even require much experience. You go to Indeed.com and you can search for things that you may be willing to do. Okay, so I just gave you four. That's the third option I just gave you right there. Another option is a platform called Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr, like the number 5 spelled out in word, right? In a word, and then you put double R at the end of it. Fiverr.com, right? And let me actually show you what that looks like. Okay, I don't recommend it, by the way, but people are doing it. What I recommend is what you see on my screen right now. But let me go ahead and open Fiverr.com for you so you can see what's possible. All right, it's called Fiverr.com. Tick 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 tick. All right, good. That's Fiverr.com right there. Okay. And you can see find the perfect freelance services for your business. So this is if you want to find service for yourself, but you can also become a seller. You see where it says seller? And what can you do on there, right? If you know how to do website design, you want to do WordPress, want to learn how to create a blog for other people, logo design, drop shipping, you want somebody to help you operate those things. There's so many options, right? Social media management, social media designs, things that you kind of probably already do on the internet when you're browsing the internet, right? There's a ton of opportunities here. On this website alone, you can literally become a seller and you can start charging money for your services. You can charge as low as, I think it's $5. That's where the name came from, for services just to deliver the results, right? So they usually give you up to 24 hours, but you can take up to 72 hours to deliver the work, and you can take as many work as you want, right? So, but the thing is that this tends to become a job, because again, it's taking time, right? But if you're looking for a way to make money, right? You're looking for a way to make money from selling results, then that's something that I train here. You just have to go through my master classes, okay? And $1,000 a month is nothing. You may start off that way, but eventually you'll be doing $1,000 per week, $1,000 per day, $1,000. It's completely dependent on how consistent you are. And then also there are things that I will teach you. There are things that you will pick up additionally as time goes on. By yourself. You can get better than me in any one of these things right here by simply going through. Now, the software, if you're going to be involved in real estate, that software right there, that software comes with a bunch of free courses and free information as well too, if that's what you're looking for. But yes, any one of these methods can make you extra $1,000 per month. And I think I like the idea of starting with $1,000 $1,000 per month, because most people's mind most people's mind can contain that. They can believe enough in that, right? But the truth of the matter is that if you get good with any one of this, even including Fiverr, there are ways that you can outsource all of these things and you can get job done over on a consistent basis, and you can flip services, you can flip products, E-commerce is another way you can. Drop shipping, like I said, drop shipping is basically you creating marketing for a particular product, and the product is shipped all the way from the warehouse to the person that purchased them, and you never have to create you don't have to store an inventory in your garage, right? So those are additional ways. Now, if you notice one thing in all of these things that I've just said, right? I did not say anything about MLMs. Okay, there's a reason for that. I do have some experience in MLM. In general, I am convinced that most MLMs, you're not going to do well in it if you're an average person. Okay, an average person can pick up any one of these skill set on this page and do something with it, right? Because there's actual mentorship, coaching, and there's resources and tools, and it's the internet. You can relate. But the idea of begging family and friends to purchase the same product over and over again, yeah, some people would argue and say, yeah, but I'm just letting you know that it's very highly likely you will not create success with that. Okay, but here are some options right here on the screen for you, and feel free to write them down and take advantage of it. The other way, the last but not the least way to make $1,000 per month extra from home, is to subscribe to this channel and like on this video and continue to consume my videos, because I will continue to talk about this kind of things on this channel, and hopefully you've been enlightened and educated. I'll see you on the next one, and peace.